Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 74th Miss Universe competition. This is now 2204 and don't forget to like and subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Let's have an update for the Miss Universe voting category for Miss Universe Miss People's Choice. At ngayon ay alamin natin ang top 5 for Miss People's Choice ng Miss Universe as of 11/11/2025 at 7:30 p.m. With spot number 5, we have Miss Universe Vietnam. Next in line, our spot number 4 is Miss Universe Bangladesh. Number 3, Miss Universe Cambodia. Number 2 spot for Miss People's Choice is Miss Chile. And our leading and number 1 Miss People's Choice for Miss Universe 2025 as of this moment is Miss Philippines. Congratulations to our top 5 ranking in the Miss People's Choice ng Miss Universe voting for this 74th edition of Miss Universe 2025. Talagang ramdam na ramdam nga natin ang suporta at pagmamahal ng mga Pinoy pageant fans para sa ating pambato na walang iba kundi si Maria Atisa Manalo. Dahil as of this moment ay number 1 pa rin ang ating pambato sa botohan ng Miss Universe for Miss People's Choice. Muli maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at patuloy tayong magbibigay ng mga update para po sa inyo. At huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe at patuloy na umantabay sa channel na ito. This is Nel 2204. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Maraming salamat din sa iyong pag-subscribe.